This 341 grams now only contains sugar and fat so far. Welcome to Galley Meditations and the largest vegan cookie ever baked. Go!
It's one of my top 10 recipes, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, let's say top 20.
Yeah.
One of my most favorite.
It's a great recipe. It's very simple and it contains mainly sugar and fat and it tastes amazing. Probably because of that.
Makes a good cookie.
112 grams coconut oil. I have prepared something. Oil. I'm sorry. This is milk. Oil. Can you open this jar for me, please?
That's it.
No, that's 99. 100. Alright, so the recipe calls for 112. We're using 100 because then we have 100 left. This is expensive here. Yeah. Alright, what else?
250 grams of sugar.
250 grams of sugar. Okay. 250.
Yes. I know it's a lot. Or a bit less because you put some vanilla sugar.
Okay. Alright, so this 341 grams now only contains sugar and fat so far. Just to prove it. Next.
Vanilla sugar?
Vanilla sugar. We only have the fake vanilla sugar.
Well, then it is what it is.
Yikes. Give it a try with fake vanilla, so vanillin. Certain foods change the taste afterwards when you have eaten the fake vanilla. For example, when you have a cookie with fake vanilla and then have a beer out of a can, the beer out of a can tastes absolutely disgusting. I think because of the aluminum. Alright, what's next?
120 grams of coconut milk.
That should be exactly what is in here. Mm-hmm.
290 gram milk.
290 of flour, alright. I'm not sure if we can fit that though.
Hmm?
Do you think it will fit?
Into the oven? Or what?
Yeah.
Into the bowl or the oven?
The oven?
Yeah, I'm not sure to be honest. I actually, in the beginning, I thought of doing half of the recipe,
Mm-hmm.
but it's too late.
That is a bit too late, yeah.
I was so much into cookies after my bicycle tour. You put 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon or a bit more salt. If you like it salty, then a bit more.
Like that? A bit more?
Add just a bit more. I like it when it's kind of salty too.
Okay.
Sure.
How much chocolate is it?
100 grams.
100 grams.
Yes. I mean, you can add whatever else you want. Super tasty. So you got baking soda and
Salt.
salt.
Yeah.
Oh, standard chocolate. Again, it's only about stirring.
That's it?
Yeah.
Cool.
First, we have to try.
The
I'd
dough?
say. Yes. It's an important part of it. Try it.
Is it good? You know what could work? A little dash of lemon juice, maybe.
No.
No?
I don't see
No
that.
healthy vitamins in the cookie?
Well, then I'd say that some sesame could work.
Sesame actually could work, yeah.
Yeah.
But like kernels, not oil.
Yeah. But I'd go like this.
Yeah, I think it's great.
We're gonna put the whole. Okay.
Yes. Why not? Well, if we want to make the largest vegan cookie ever baked,
So
I'll
true.
take half the dough.
I love it already.
This will work great.
It's actually not like the amount is not so wrong.
No?
No?
I think the
Almost a
thickness is...
centimeter. Spot on.
Kitchen meditations very often feature this pizza oven.
Never
What a-
thought that
what a
we
great
will
vibe.
use this oven so often, really. Yeah, but would you have imagined that we are doing so much more than pizza in it?
No, but I would also have hoped that the pizza that comes out would be better. It's not a good pizza oven, but it's a general great overall kitchen tool to have because it's fun to use.
It's the perfect size cookie oven. What can you say?
We've already used the joke, but otherwise I would just close this and bake it for how long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? So, see you in 10 minutes. The hour of truth.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Goes quick.
Do you think so?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if the hole is here.
Oh. Yeah. It's large, it's a cookie, it's vegan. Largest vegan cookie ever baked. Maybe.
We have to try it actually to give like a resume. No?